Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin with a clean metal gua sha and clean hands. Make sure the tool and skin are sanitized. Apply 1 to 2 pumps of oil or serum so the tool glides. Don't skimp. Hold the tool at a shallow 15-30 degrees angle. Use short, consistent strokes away from the center of the face, starting at the jaw and moving to the ear. Once done there, increase stroke length and keep pressure light, firm but never painful, to encourage lymph flow. You now move to the cheeks, under eye, and temples, areas that respond to contouring. Use the curved edge along the cheekbones and the flat side for broader surfaces. Maintain a 15-30 degrees angle. Perform 30 to 50 strokes per zone, sweeping toward lymphatic exits at the ear and clavicle. Once done, pause and compare sides. Make sure pressure is even and never sharp. If you hit a tender spot, ease up and repeat with lighter strokes to avoid bruising. You finish by sweeping upward on the forehead and then down toward the collarbones to evacuate fluid. Clean the tool and reapply light moisturizer if skin feels dry. Drink water within the next 20 to 30 minutes to support circulation. Once done, assess your skin. Some mild redness is normal. If you notice bruising or persistent pain, stop use for 48 hours and use gentler pressure next time. If swelling continues, consult a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.